talking about war and strife, nuclear this and chemical that. But only the Most High knows the day and the hour. Righteousness shall prevail. I hear Babylon talking about World War III. Say them got the power, say them got the key, but them building weapons while the children cry, and the earth getting hotter, still them justify. Them talking about borders, them talking about pride, but them can't stop nature, them can't stop time. The river still flow, the sun still shine, and the voice of Jah echo in this heart of mine. Babylon talk about World War III, but only Jah know the destiny. Them a write up plans and prophecy, but the truth live deep inside of we. Only Jah know the end of time, so me not fear their bloody sign. I lift my eyes to the hills and pray, Jah guide I through another day. I see them sitting high in them concrete tower, making false laws, drunk with power. But every empire rise and fall, and every king must answer the call. Them can't buy peace with a bag of gold, them can't hide truth when the trumpet rolls. So we chant down lies, lift up the light, and walk with Jah through the darkest night. Babylon talk about World War III, but only Jah write the history. Them speak of war with vanity, but Zion stand in purity. Only Jah know the time and day, so I man chant and meditate. No fear in night, no hate in night, just love and fire from the Most High. Fire feed the wicked heart, truth shall tear Babylon apart. Selassie I, the conquering lion, Jah rule Mount Zion. Rivers flow and trees still sway, Babylon can't stop Jah day. They may deceive with sweet disguise, but Jah reveal all in time. Only Jah know, only Jah know. Not the kings, not the queens, not the rulers low. Only Jah know when the trumpets blow. We shall rise with the light and let Babylon go.